Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate using dairy milk. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite dairy milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. For equipment, grab a small saucepan, a whisk, and a cozy mug. Choosing whole milk often yields a richer, creamier result, but 2% milk works wonderfully too. Now, let's start by combining our dry ingredients directly in the saucepan. This step is crucial for preventing lumps and ensuring a smooth, delicious drink. Add 2 level tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, measure in 2 level tablespoons of granulated sugar. Finally, a tiny pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, really helps to bring out the deep chocolate notes. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. With your dry ingredients combined, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 1 cup of your chosen dairy milk while continuously whisking. This gradual addition helps to dissolve the cocoa and sugar completely, preventing any clumps. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. Continue to whisk gently but constantly as the mixture warms. The goal is to heat it until it's steaming hot, but never let it come to a boil, which can scorch the milk. Once your hot chocolate is steaming and perfectly warm, remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the rich, aromatic beverage into your favorite mug. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can add a generous dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon or chocolate shavings. This easy method ensures a comforting, delicious cup every time. Sit back, relax, and savor your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.